Meet the Dunphy family. This is Phil Dunphy. This is Claire Dunphy. Phil and Claire are married. Claire is Phil's wife. Phil is Claire's husband. Claire and Phil have 3 children: Hayley, Alex, and Luke. Hayley is Phil and Claire's daughter. Alex is Phil and Claire's daughter. Luke is Phil and Claire's son. Luke is Hayley and Alex's brother. Alex is Luke and Hayley's sister. Hayley is Luke and Alex's sister. This is the Dunphy family.